This is Rao Ram Cafe at night. This is John of Art checking out Rao Ram Restaurant, the place to be in Bacolod. When you're in Bacolod, check out this Vietnamese restaurant. Rao Ram, located at Pata Subdivision, Bacolod City. How do you find the food?
I must admit, bloody beauty, very good food, and
We finished everything.
very fresh. Forget about presentation, all that rubbish. It's not for that. It's simply for good food. We had a salad, and we had the the beef and rice noodle soup. I think it's called four bowl noodle soup, which is common in Vietnam and in Australia. This one is very fresh, very nice, and the salad, surprisingly, not only surprisingly because of my eyesight, because I thought it was something completely different in there. It was just juicy due to the fruit, sweet due to the freshness, and very easily digestible. So, another thing that really stands out are the generous portions, as you can see here. They're huge, but good for two. Seriously, the all-bowl rice noodle soup is good for two. And then beautifully fresh salad. Actually, I'm going to finish it off right now.
Oh, right now. So yummy. I love that too. Cheers. Bon appetit.
Come in. Thank you.
Namit. Mitnamit.
Oh, Mitnamit. I was just saying in Vietnamese, thank you. Come in.
Alright.
Come in.
We've finished everything because they're so yummy. And the interior is so nice too.
Good spot. Thank you, Joan, for choosing this.
Thank you.
And as a travel and tour guide, highly recommended. John of Art, thank you for being a special guest here tonight.
Thank you. See you again in our next video. Watch out. Right. Food is yummy. No doubt about it.